welcome to Angela's Hangout. Today I'm so excited about this. I recently received a gift from Hanogram, and it is a cell phone case company, and they also have watches too, like eye watches. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you today. So here's how it comes packaged. It's so super cute. I already opened it, and you may have seen it in a previous video, my fall video. But I just wanted to kind of go over everything with you. So this is how it comes packaged. And it says Hanogram on it, the company name. And it says made to order, your unique case style lifestyle. So I think that is so cute. Then we open it up, and look, it says Angela's Hangout on it. How adorable is this? I think it is so cute. So it's silicone, and which I love because I don't like those big bulky cases. I think they're kind of, I don't know, there's like, it's just so much easier just to put it up to your head like this rather than having this big old thing that sticks out here like you're back in the 80s or something. For me anyway. All you need for is a protector on your front case, and this will protect the back of it. So I like that about this. And guess what? We are in October. And guess what is coming right around the corner? Yep, it's the holidays. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness, where does the time go? I feel like I just put away my Christmas decorations. But anyway, the calendar tells me differently. So anyway, I think this would be like the, oh, let me put this back in here so you can see real quick because I'm using my phone right now. But I think this would be like the perfect gift for Christmas. Don't you think? I mean, for anybody. So I know my teens, they like their name. And so I have to admit, I know they don't watch my YouTube channel. Have to admit, I had to order them one for their stockings this year. And they're so cute, and I know that they're just gonna absolutely love them. And no, I didn't order Angela's Hangout on there. I ordered theirs because it's a personalized cell phone case, so you can put anything you want on there. So I happen to go with Angela's Hangout because I think it is so cool. I can't even tell you. I've been using this now for I don't know, a little bit. I've been using this on my phone, and it's really cute when I'm talking on it or like doing something. People always say, oh my god, that's so cute. And I'm like, yeah, that's my YouTube channel name. And they're like, you have a YouTube channel? I'm like, yeah. So anyway, so they have all kinds of different designs and colors that you can choose. And it's just, they have like so many amazing things. So the name of their website is called Hanogram. And for my subscribers and viewers, you are able to get 15% off just by using the coupon code HANGOUT. So how cool is that? So 15% off immediately just by using Hangout. So yeah, and like I said, they have so many different designs. They also have the cases for your iWatch, and they also have they have the new, actually they already have the cases for the new X Max and what's it called? iPhone X and iPhone X Max. They already have cases for those that are available to order. So if you are looking for an astounding Christmas gift for somebody, I highly recommend going on their channel or their website and taking a look and see if there's something that you might be interested in to purchase either for yourself or somebody else. But talk about a great way to like just have a conversation with somebody. Like, let's Angela's Hangout. It's just like, you know, just like, oh, it's kind of like I don't know, just a way to like break the ice with somebody, I guess. But I think it's so cool, and I'm super excited about it. I love this thing, and like I said, it's not all big and bulky, and it's, you know, it fits on my phone perfectly, and yeah, I truly love it. So if you're interested in purchasing it for yourself or for somebody else, I highly recommend going over to their website, which will be listed, and taking a look at what they have to offer. So I know you won't be disappointed. They have so many things. They have little florals. They have all these cute little backdrops. They have some that are marbleized, and they all come with your name on it. So, or whatever name you put on there, or monogrammed. You can just have like one little letter right there. So you can put whatever it is that you want on there. It's just an amazing website. So I am so thankful that I was able to receive this gift, and I hope you guys go take a look at it. Don't forget, the coupon code is Hangout, and you'll instantly receive 15% off. So anyway, I'm gonna let you look at some pictures, and then yeah, thank you so much for watching.